Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my daily video journal from yesterday's trading. And yeah, it is a bit early today, but I have a busy day ahead of me, so I want to get started early. So yesterday was a bit of a break-even day, and again, the day didn't start so well. Had a break-even, a loss, a break-even before I finally, the last trade made it up. So let's go through it and see what we have. So this here is 6:07 a.m. my time yesterday. I started to go into the charts. Here was my first trade. It was a short that went to break even. I used this wick line here as resistance and entered. I'll make an arrow. This, and I entered at the candle that opened this wick line here, just from a natural resistance point. Yeah, that was break even, and price continued up. You can say my TP here was a bit optimistic. The most obvious would have been a TP here at the trend line and the support here. So, and price went up, and it reversed here, made for those candles like this is for me a reversal candles. But I was waiting for a pullback. I was waiting for a pullback up here, so the price could around here make a double top, at the same time make various divergence here down here on the RSI. That didn't happen. Price just continued down, as you can see, and price went into this downwards channel, which is often a bullish indication. So when we had magnet at this little trend line here, the trend line, when the price broke out of this trend line, I longed up here, and price was ranging. And here I finally thought it would break out of my channel here, but it was just a fake out and went back there. This week here was the red USD news. So this here was a loss. And the price continued down, broke this larger channel here, and here in hindsight, we are all very good hindsight traders. In hindsight, this here was a very good retest. But the RSI was all the way here at the bottom. That kind of, that was the reason why I didn't want to take the retest. So I shouldn't have been that biased by my indicator. So yeah, price came down here, and we had this support area here, this little wick, where price was early on the day rejected really powerful. So when it rejected here on this wick, I entered long. Yeah, and it got up as you saw. I moved my stop loss to break even, and it went to break even. Not much to say about that. Then the price later came down here, touched this another trend line. After trend line, I have here from, and yeah, it was this actually was this support, and you can see those two candles is actually the same as these two candles, just opposite direction, which for me indicates a reversal. So, and it was also climbed back up on support. Yeah, and into the way up. This TP here, I made for a kind of psychology reasons, because that meant that I would break even for the day with a little bit plus, but it will cover my loss, it will cover fees for commission and so on. Even that I kind of had an idea that it would continue up because of these rejection candles, and also if we pull um, the price is in an uptrend, could pull back, continue up. But yeah, yeah, I'm just human and I'm not a big fan of that thing. So this here was fine for me, and yeah, had a break-even day and a little plus. So yeah, that was it. My trading day for yesterday. Yeah, actually, I'm in a trade right now already. Morning rejection from this candle here. Here's a good rejection of reversal candles as well. You can see on the 1 hour made a good yearly double top here. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, and I'll report it in my journal for Monday. I wish you all a very good Friday and a good weekend when you comes along. Bye.